wide-angle lens is a basic but very important part for every photographer's bag. There are a lot of wide-angle lenses in the market, but most of them are suffering from either dramatic barrel distortion, poor corner sharpness, or are too bulky to carry. Over the last 2 years, Venus Optics has launched a number of lenses to meet the unique needs of photographers. Today, we are launching the Laowa 12mm f2.8, an incredible ultra-wide angle lens with close to zero distortion. We have spent a lot of time to design and develop a rectilinear lens which can overcome the weaknesses of existing wide-angle lenses on the market. We also need the lens to be fast and wide enough for all types of photography, from landscape, architecture, interior, to travel and astrophotography. The Laowa 12mm f2.8 gives you an extreme 122 degrees angle of view, allowing you to compose an impressive landscape photo with ease. It also allows you to capture the beauty of architecture with close to zero distortion. Even if you're shooting a small house, it will still look spacious and impactful in your photos. Keeping barrel distortion out of images from ultra-wide-angle lenses is challenging. The ultra-wides in the market tend to suffer from 2 to 5% distortion. The wider the lens, the higher chance of distortion. Our design team took on the challenge and came up with an optical design which can successfully minimize the distortion to an extremely low level. You'll struggle to see any straight lines which have been distorted. And what about the size? People are amazed at how small and light our Laowa lens is when compared to other ultra-wide and fast lenses on the market. You can insert 100mm neutral density filters and a 105mm circular polarizer into our optional filter holder to create the best landscape photo ever. It weighs just 610 grams and has a front diameter of 77mm. Our Laowa lens is currently the fastest 12mm lens in the market for full-frame cameras. The large aperture is perfect for astrophotography, where a shorter exposure time is really critical for that perfect Milky Way shot. And of course, it is also extremely convenient for shooting action in limited light or in an indoor environment. In order to be the best ultra-wide-angle lens, an outstanding optical performance cannot be compromised. Housed with 16 lens elements, including 3 extra low dispersion elements and 2 aspherical lens elements, our Laowa lens gives excellent sharpness and contrast from corner to corner. Chromatic aberration is also extremely well controlled.
Laowa 12mm f2.8 is the best ultra-wide-angle lens that everyone has been dreaming for. And now the prototypes are ready, and we need your support to realize this dream and send the lens to serial production. Thank you for supporting us to develop extraordinary lenses. Thank you.